Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the daily analysis of Solana for February 18th. We're on the daily time frame, and as you can see, yesterday's candle closed bearishly. Also, since the start of this week, we've seen more than 4.5% volatility, and now the weekly candle is almost at the break-even point. In this time frame, Solana's overall movement is in a downtrend, and even after the price reacted to the strong support at $67.6, there has been no change in Solana's bearish structure. Since the beginning of last week until now, we've seen Solana's price move within a limited range, and it hasn't made any significant moves either upward or downward. In the most recent drop that occurred at the beginning of this week, the price filled its daily FVG down to the range of $82.81 and rebounded from that area. We are currently analyzing the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, with the formation of consecutive bearish break of structures, we can observe that the prevailing trend is still bearish and lacks a solid foundation. In the recent move, with the candle closing above the price of $89.86, a market structure shift occurred, but immediately, with a swing failure pattern, it returned below this level. In order for us to see a bullish move in Solana's price, we need the price to stabilize above its 4-hour order block. And currently, as you can see, the price is fluctuating below the $91 resistance. When a trend line is formed, there is good liquidity below this trend line due to the presence of stop losses. As a short-term bullish scenario, we can consider that the price, by collecting liquidity below this trend line, which includes the 4-hour FVG and the price of $81.75, could start an upward move, and after surpassing the FVG in the $88.28 area, once again test its strength to break through the $91 resistance. We are currently analyzing the inflow and outflow of liquidity from Solana ETF funds, which managed to record a positive inflow yesterday. However, this inflow is not a very large or significant amount that could cause a sharp movement in Solana's price. We are now examining Solana's liquidity map. As for the closest sell-side liquidity, we can identify the previous low liquidity and the 1-hour FVG area at the price of $82.37. Similarly, for buy-side liquidity, we have the price of $87.46, which is also located in a 1-hour FVG area. But it's worth noting that at the price of $85.93, we had very good liquidity, which has just been collected by the price. By examining these areas on the chart, we can observe the sell-side liquidity at the 50% line of the 1-hour FVG in this region. The internal liquidity on the upside, which was mentioned earlier, is also located in this FVG. However, at the moment, the price in this 1-hour candle has collected significant liquidity from its previous highs. If this candle closes as a pin bar and within this same range, it will be a Soldier Ryan strategy for us. With the closing of this candle, we can enter a sell trade and target lower levels, such as the ascending trend line, or even the previously mentioned liquidity at the 50% line of the 1-hour FVG down to the price of $82.50. Wishing you success and profitable trades.